Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by acting now. Force close background apps to free RAM and stop CPU cycles. This reduces stutter immediately. Once done, delete large videos or unused apps until you have about 15% free storage because low free space slows I/O. Then restart the phone to clear temporary caches and reset misbehaving services. These steps relieve memory pressure and eliminate transient glitches. Do them in sequence and check responsiveness before continuing to deeper. Next, update the system and apps because patches fix performance bugs and improve resource scheduling. Make sure you use the stable release. Once updated, audit storage. Uninstall or offload rarely used heavy apps and move media to cloud or SD card to lower read/write load. Then limit background data and reduce or turn off animations to cut GPU and CPU work. These steps address cumulative slowdowns. They change how your phone allocates resources over time for smoother operation. Finally, perform conservative final steps. Back up your data, then consider a factory reset only as a last resort because it returns system state to fresh. This often removes deep software corruption. If you want to isolate problems first, boot into safe mode to see if third-party apps cause lag. If issues persist after reset and updates, check battery health and thermals. Degraded batteries or overheating can throttle performance. If confirmed, replace hardware or seek professional repair to restore full speed.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.